What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from WellStar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the Heart and Soil Colostrum powder product, and I am comparing this product to other colostrum brands in the marketplace, specifically Armra. They've been around for quite some time, and there's other colostrum brands as well. And I have a very unique perspective on colostrum because my mom is actually a holistic practitioner, and she's been using colostrum in her practice for quite some time now with different clients. And she's had some really interesting results and some really interesting insight to share as to how to use colostrum in your health and wellness routine so that you get the most benefit from colostrum. So before I jump into the review, I want to share a few health benefits of colostrum and share with you why it's beneficial and how it works specifically in your body. So colostrum is basically given to us as babies if we were breastfed. And if you were not breastfed, it's very important to keep in mind that your body is really craving the specific nutritional profile of what colostrum is because you didn't receive it as a baby, as a child. So that's the first thing to take note of. If you weren't breastfed, colostrum will probably work even better for you than it does for other people because your body and specifically your gut lining needs these nutrients more than other people. Colostrum is very fatty. It's very rich in different minerals and a lot of different vitamins. I think D, E, K, a lot of bioactives, including IGF-1, insulin growth like factor 1. It's really great for your hormones. It's really great for your gut health and your immunity and your gut lining specifically. It's also really great for your immune system and liver and really so much more because it really helps to increase your nutrient absorption. And whenever your nutrient absorption increases, everything that you eat and consume, both from your diet and supplement routine, is enhanced because those vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, whatever it may be, that get absorbed within the gut lining, those are then absorbed at a higher rate, meaning you get more of a benefit from whatever you consume. So that's one of the big benefits of colostrum that most people don't understand, is that you're actually getting a bigger benefit in all of the nutritional intake that you put into your body, both for macronutrients, fats and proteins and things like that, and micronutrients, your minerals, your vitamins, things like that. So that's what's so great about colostrum, is it gives you, it's really a supplement that, it's sort of a supplement that like a rising tide lifts all ships. This is that supplement. It quite literally does that in your gut lining and in your body. Now, let's talk about specifically Heart and Soil colostrum. They had capsules before, and they still have capsules, which you can take, but now they have the powder. The reason I personally like the powder is because, well, when you were being breastfed as a baby, you weren't given capsules that then the colostrum went into your body and was then processed. Colostrum whole and complete, just simply on its own, is beneficial because it contains all of those bioactive nutrients that your body needs, and drinking it and getting those enzymes in your mouth, that saliva, actually helps to break it down and sort of pre-digest it into your gut. So that's why I like the powder version. Now, this container is 6.34 ounces. Once again, it's good for immune function, gut health, muscle recovery, gut lining, things like that. But it's 6.4 ounces. Now, it's a glass jar, as you can see. What I really like about the inside here, and I'm almost done with this container, is that the scoop is actually a paper or cardboard scoop, which I love. So glass with paper, there is no plastic in this product. Every other colostrum brand out there uses plastic containers, plastic scoops. They use glass and paper, which I think is brilliant, and I really like that. 6.34 ounces, I believe this is like around like 50, 60 bucks. Armra's colostrum container is 4.2 ounces, so it's about a third. It's about 66% of this container, and it's $110. So it's a smaller amount of colostrum, yet the price is basically double. So you're getting way more colostrum with Heart and Soil colostrum, and it's a glass container and paper. There's no plastic whatsoever. So higher quality and about half the price. That's a huge no-brainer. And they're both, I believe Armra is grass-fed, but Heart and Soil is grass-fed and pasture-raised, and it's local U.S. cows. And I believe that, I know the company Heart and Soil is in Texas, so I'd only venture to say these cows are from Texas, which is probably a good thing because honestly, I think some of the healthiest cows in the country reside in Texas, not in the Midwest where I'm from, where you have a lot of glyphosate, a lot of pesticide use, a lot of genetically modified crops and things like that. I would much rather get my colostrum from a Texas-based company. So I like the quality of this brand, that they're giving you a large amount of colostrum. I mean, it's a small container in terms of the total size. I wish they had huge ones, but they're giving you more colostrum for a cheaper price than Armra does, And the quality is just as good as in terms of the core actual powder itself, the core colostrum. But then the packaging, glass and paper, is higher quality because there's going to be less microplastics, or arguably no microplastics in it overall. With that being said, Armra also had some testing done where it showed that their arsenic levels were a little bit higher. I really don't know. There was one test that showed it was higher, one test that showed it was fine. So it could be based on the batch, it could be based on whatever, but I just don't like that it's in plastic and that Heart and Soil is not. So what I like about Heart and Soil and the company behind Heart and Soil, specifically Paul Salandino, the founder, is that he lives this lifestyle. This is something he's very upfront about. He publishes a lot of content on YouTube, and he stands behind his brand and he actually lives it. Whereas these other brands like Armra, I go to their website and I see all these like weird glossed up looking human beings that are clearly like models or something. And it's not a real company. Heart and Soil is a real company that they live what they talk about. They live their brand. And I have a higher amount of respect and integrity for the Heart and Soil brand because I see it and I see that they're living it, and it's not something that they're just putting out there to sell. So personally, I like the Heart and Soil brand more. I think they're higher quality. The cost is cheaper. The product quality, I believe, is higher. And the thing that this is what you should know about colostrum. A few things. Number one, if you weren't breastfed, colostrum is going to be incredible. It's going to be literally one of the top supplements I would possibly recommend you. And I have tried hundreds, maybe not thousands, but definitely hundreds, maybe 1,000 supplements. I don't know. So then taking a lot of supplements, a lot of things in my life. And colostrum would be the number one supplement I recommend to anyone that was not breastfed. If you were not breastfed as a baby, colostrum is my number one recommendation for you as a supplement. The reason for that is because the nutritional profile of what colostrum is a precursor to breast milk production to getting breastfed. So colostrum literally has a nutritional composition to build your gut lining, the fats, the high fats, the vitamins, all of the bioactive compounds within colostrum quite literally is the integrity of your gut lining. So if you have any leaky gut issues or autoimmune conditions, I would also recommend colostrum. It's going to be one of the best supplements you could possibly take. So that's the first thing you should know. The second thing you should know is that I personally, from the perspective of a health coach, with the work I do with Healthy Wild Free, with the clients that I've had, I personally recommend using colostrum on an empty stomach, number one, and not pairing it with anything else. And all of these brands, including Heart and Soil, unfortunately, they're like, oh, use this with a recipe. And it's okay to do that. I'm not saying you're not going to get the benefits from it. But when you are breastfed as a baby, colostrum and breast milk go hand in hand. And if you're having food or things that could be inflammatory or could be interfering with colostrum, I just recommend it on an empty stomach before bed or first thing in the morning, or both, if you want to get sort of the more therapeutic potential out of colostrum for your body. The third thing that you should know, and this really comes from my mom as a holistic practitioner, she had a client once who is suffering from horrible allergies, like just awful allergies, and she gave them colostrum. She recommended colostrum, and like 80-90% of their allergies cleared up like just from colostrum. So if you have allergic or allergy challenges, things like that, colostrum is really good for your immune system. It's really good at your gut lining. It's really good at just conditioning your immune system. And it's one of the best immune supplements you can possibly take. So gut health, immunity, muscle health, joint health, recovery, also skin health. I notice that when I take colostrum, my skin feels healthier, looks healthier, and it gives you more of a sense of youthfulness. So I recommend Heart and Soil colostrum wholeheartedly, 5 stars. Honestly, in terms of the price and the quality, it's going to be the best you can possibly get in the market right now. Unfortunately, I wish they had bigger containers, but I love that they're in glass and the paper cardboard instead of plastic. There's no plastic, and super high quality. So I highly recommend it. Check it out below in the comment section. And if you like that product and you are looking for more health and wellness products specifically for your gut lining, I also recommend pairing Radiate 21 with colostrum, because Radiate 21 has 21 botanicals from Chinese, Amazonian, and Ayurvedic medicine. Specifically, Sangre de Grotto in here is really good to help heal and seal the gut lining, and that pairs really nicely with the colostrum. So I will link these up below. The colostrum with a discount code, radiate21.com with a discount code. Check those out. And if you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands, I review health and wellness brands here on YouTube. I educate on the Healthy Wild Free channel. Check out the website in the description, healthywildfree.com/shop. And that you'll get discounts on a bunch of different brands, discount codes, free shipping, and all the brands that I've personally vetted for you and contacted the company and gotten discount codes for you. So check that out below. Make sure to subscribe, leave your comments and questions below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.